Hello guys, today we're gonna learn how to use two accounts in Steam in the same computer. Okay, first we're gonna open Steam. Once we're done opening Steam, you're gonna go click up top right here, your account, manage your profile. Then you're gonna click on change account. Once you click on that, it's gonna pop this up. You just press on continue. It's gonna shut down Steam and open it again. It might take a few seconds. Once this pops up, you press on add account on this plus icon. Then you put your information, then you're all set. That's how you use two accounts in the same computer. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah.